Okay, everyone, we're going to be working on a technology information unit for this first part of the year. And this unit is going to be covering a lot of things that will help you not only learn how to use some of the different Google tools and things that we'll be using for the rest of the year, and also it will be helping you to learn about some things that we need to do to stay safe when we're using the computer and how we can make sure we're being responsible when we're using the computer as well. So I'm just giving you a quick overview right now of what this unit would be like. So I'm just going to show you the first assignment page. There will be 7 topics that we'll be talking about, all related to technology. And this first topic you can see right here where it says topic 1, it's on device care. So it's going to be all about how to take care of our devices. For each one of these topics, you will be adding to a slide presentation. So you will be starting with this first topic. You'll be starting by opening and starting a Google slide. And then it gives you a few directions, simple things about putting your name and putting titles. And then it also talks about how you can use a few add-ons on your page. And we're going to be working on that shortly, and I will have some directions for you and show you how to use some of the different things that you can put as add-ons on your page. For example, background color, adding images, shapes, videos, all kinds of things like that. Then most of the pages and topics will have some tutorials or short video clips that you're going to watch having to do with whatever that topic covers. Then you'll get started on your slides, and for each of the topics you'll be making just a couple of slides. You'll be putting the heading, labeling it, and then you will take all the information that we discussed and that you listened to, and you'll kind of make some notes and decide what you think is important for you to add to your slides. Now, after we finish each of the topics, you will have a complete slide presentation, and that slide presentation is something you're going to be sharing with your parents. So you're going to teach them a little bit about what you are learning. So I'm just going to show you an example of what your first couple of slides might look like. So for each topic, you'll have 2 slides. So here's just an example of what your first slide could look like. We've added some different colors and some pictures, and maybe your second slide could look something like this. So when you're all finished, you might have a cover that might be something like this with your name, of course, on it. And then you would have each of your pages that will cover your different topics after that. And then it will be completely ready to share once we're all finished. And then as we go, of course, you'll be learning all about some great Google tools that will help you not only on this project, but on all the other projects that we'll be working on. So can't wait to get started, guys. Good luck.